So this is one, and in this particular video, we are going to be talking about like what are those ways through which you can start getting more borrowers who are looking to purchase or looking to refinance their properties as of now, right? But first of all, I would love to start this particular video with a few basic things, right? So there are a few things that you might be relying on right now to get more customers or to get more borrowers in this high interest rate of market, right? So the first way could be you are relying on the referrals or the past clients that you have right now. You build the relationships with them. You are in the business from, let's say, from the last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and you have some people in the pipeline, and those people are bringing in the business, right? The second way could be you are just relying on the realtors that you have in your network, right? As I said, you are in the business from the last 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and you have built some kind of connection with all those realtors who are in the particular space, and you are just getting the customers with the help of all those realtors. Number third could be you are going towards or you are going to those networking events, right? That are happening in just the local area where you are living right now. Let's say you are in California, so you just go to those networking events, network with people, introduce yourself, get more realtors, one or two, and then that's how you just increase your borrower base, right? But the thing is, now we are living in a pretty much digital era, right? Every single thing is just on a screen, right? It's just on a mobile screen, on a laptop screen, right? So if you want to connect with someone, you can just message them, and here you go. But the question is, you cannot directly message to a random person, right? So the major question is how you're going to get in touch with your customers who are looking to purchase or who are looking to refinance. See, let's understand this. Let's understand this particular scenario. In a particular state in the U.S. market, there are a lot of loan officers who are doing the same thing, pretty much the same thing that you are doing right now. You might be doing right now. Okay, the number of loan officers are pretty less in comparison to number of people who are looking to buy or purchase, right? So, how we are going to increase our chances to get more customers to ourselves so that we can have minimum 15, 20, 30, or 40 uh, loans closed every single month. Maybe the current situation that you are into right now is you are doing 2, 3, 4, or 5 loans a month. You want to get to minimum 10, 15, 20, or 30, right? That is something that you want to do. But as of now, you don't know how you're going to do it because you're just relying on the few things that I just mentioned in the beginning of this video. So, what's going to be the best way to put yourself out there in the market so that people can know more about you? So, let me tell you, this is something that you have to do it because, according to the data, only top 10 to 15% of the loan officers are doing this, right? And around 40 or 50% of the people are just relying on like Zillow or maybe uh, lending leads or something like that. And the rest of those are just relying on referrals, relying on realtors, relying on networking events, right? You might have also got like some kind of lead sources in the past that did not even work. You paid and it did not work. So how you are going to do that now? Because eventually you want to grow, you want to get more borrowers, you want to get more customers for your business. So there are only two ways. The very first way is you go organically, and the second way is you go inorganically. And let's understand one by one. So when we talk about you put your offer in front of the right customers or in front of the public with the help of organic content, is with the help of reels, is with the help of posts on your Facebook, is with the help of content on your LinkedIn, or any kind of content that you are going to be putting on these kind of platforms, majorly LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. But the thing is, this is something that is going to give you the results 110%, but not in the short term, right? This is something that can take or that might take 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or 6 months to eventually start seeing some kind of return. But who has that kind of time, right? So, what is going to be the best way for you as of now? So, the only best way that you have as of now is just go towards the inorganic route. Because when you go to that inorganic route, you will be able to put your offer in front of the right customers, the exact offer. You don't have to create hundreds and hundreds and thousands of reels, thousands of content, and upload them one by one, upload the stories, take care of who is liking the post, who is commenting on blah blah blah. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is just create an offer, create an irresistible offer that is going to be reflecting what you are going to do for your customers at the end of the day when they are looking to buy or looking to refinance their properties. And the best part is, if the other person is looking at your ad and they are interested, All they have to do is just click on that particular thing, click on your ad, and they are going to be directed to fill out a form, or maybe to a landing page, or maybe to do something at the end of the day, so that you can get a particular interested customer. There are a lot of things that you can do with the help of the ad. We are the specialist, but if you are doing that, just direct them to a particular form, so that you can have some kind of information like name, number, and email of that particular person who is jumping on the ad. Now, the best part is, number one, you are building the credibility in the market just by investing some kind of amount on the Facebook professionally. Number second, you are building the authenticity in front of the right customer who is in the market, who is confused, who does not even have any idea who is going to be the best fit for them when they are in the journey of buying a home. People are really confused because they don't know what is going to be the next step. They don't know which one is going to be the best offer for them. And that's when you come in. Your ad shows up, they click on the ad, they fill out the form, they give you their information, name, number, email, or whatever you want to ask them, or whatever you want them to do at the end of the day, right? And when you have that information, all you have to do is just call that person, book an appointment with them, and go for the close. Now, in this whole process, a lot of things are happening. Number one, you are getting the return on investment that you are going to be investing in whatever kind of ad: Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, could be anything, right? And number two is you are helping that person who is literally confused, who is literally stuck at the process of buying a property or refinancing their stuff. And number third, you are also making commission on whatever the amount of loan that you are going to get approved for that particular person. So there are a lot of things that are happening, and on top of it, you are building your credibility on and authenticity that we just discussed. So this is going to be the short way of getting, let's say, the next five customers in the next 30 days. This is what exactly the Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads can do for you, the inorganic way. I'm not saying you don't go to the organic way. You cannot go to that organic way. You absolutely can, and it will give you the results. But you never know when, because you never know when the other content piece or the next content piece is gonna get viral, right? So these are the things that you have to keep in your mind, and this is the short way of getting more customers in the next. If you are doing 3 4 5 loans right now, you want to get to 10 loans, and all you have to do is just create an irresistible offer that people feel stupid saying no to. Number second, create an ad, right? Create an image ad, create a video ad, or whatever you want to create. And number third, run that particular ad on, maybe on Google, maybe on YouTube, maybe on LinkedIn, maybe on Facebook, maybe on Instagram. If you don't have any idea, just contact us, right? Because we are the specialist. And then start running the ads, because this is something, this is going to be, I'm not sure, like, could be the fourth investment that you would be doing in your business. Otherwise, you are just uh, spending that money maybe on your personal things, maybe on your office things, or something like that, right? But how many times you have invested that amount that you have made into the business? This is the real question that you have to ask. Because this is something that is going to help you out in getting the investment back, and on top of it, you are going to be having more borrower base, more realtor base, more customer base by the end of the day, right? So this is exactly what you have to do. And as of now, if you have any questions, just comment down below. I will be there to answer all the questions that you might be having. Or if you want our help in running the ads and understanding what exactly is something that is going to help you out in getting more customers for yourself, then I'll just put a link in the description. You can just book a 15 or 20-minute call with me. I'll be walking you through with what you can do, what we can do for you, or what's the one thing that is going to help you out in getting more customers. Because we have been working with a lot of loan officers who are stuck, who are uh, also confused of how they are going to eventually grow, because maybe they tried something in the past that did not work. Maybe they are confused of how they are going to move forward, because the interest rates are high. They don't know how they are going to get more customers, right? So you can just book a call with us by just clicking the link below in the description, and I will be there to guide you in what are the exact steps that are going to be required to get you to the next level: 5 to 7 to 10 to 15 to 20 loans or 30 loans in a single month, right? That's pretty easy. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And on top of it, I would say this is the new channel that we just started. So if you just give it a like if you liked it, and just hit that subscribe button, it will just give me some kind of confirmation that people are understanding what is working. It will just give me a confirmation that okay, this is something that people want to know more about. Okay, and I will be keep creating such content for you guys so that you can understand how you are going to eventually get more customers at the end of the day, right? And that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one.